Hi, I'm Jada, and this is how you're gonna do a beautiful ponytail. So when you're done taking out all the knots, you're gonna get the Kelly Logan hair cream and stroke it through the hair so it gets nice and soft and nice, and you're gonna want to put it in really thoroughly. So basically, you're gonna put up half of the hair up, and kind of work with the other piece first, so it's easier to manage and you won't get a bad ponytail out of it. And also, you're gonna use the Kelly Logan hair gel to smooth down the hair to make it stay all nice and pretty. Then get the edges and get your brush and get the edges and kind of brush it down, and it'll look all nice. Then you're going to get the tiny brush that's shown in this video, or you can just get a used toothbrush and brush it the way you want it to work and the way you want it to look nice. As you can see, it's like kind of like a wave, so it looks really nice. That's what you're gonna want.
You have to listen when rude boy talk. Body, your body, your body. Yo, easy what the thing say.
Yo, easy.
Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. Say me love you, me love you. Say me need you, me need you. Do a voodoo for keep you. Oh, you make me so evil. She want the rude boy on her body. When she wind up her body. You're perfect, your body. Girl, I want all of your body. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. I the way you smile at me. Girl, you're so kind to me. I the way you wear your hair. You feel bring it all to me. Love the way you control your bumper day, yo. Skin the baby color, me no need no rainbow. Love you everything, even when you don't say so. Travel across the world, listen me when I tell you. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody.
This is me playing with my Switch. The Switch is not included.
Your body, your body. Long time no say you're bad, you're bad. Mash up the place, say you're bad, you're bad. Girl, when you move and you ride the baseline. Girl, when you ride the baseline. Long time no say you're bad, you're bad. Mash up the place, say you're bad, you're bad. Girl, when you move and you ride the baseline. Girl, when you ride the baseline. So don't take me for fool. Tell me what you want to do. Tell me what you want to give to me. Give to me. Me no frying for you. Tell me what you trying to do. Look in the mirror and you will see. Why you will see. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. Body, your body, your body.
Then you're gonna kind of get little pieces of it, kind of work it out, and turn it into a twist. So at night it won't look bad, and then you can take the twist out in the morning, and it'll look all nice, and it won't mess up when you sleep.